Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. Now we have two newses. One is a good news, which is positive global cues, and we have a bad news, which is the local cues, right? But in terms of local cues, in terms of Banknifty or banks and NBFC, RBI came out with a disclosure yesterday that is denting the market, and banks are not moving. Banks are not showing enthusiasm, which you are seeing in Nifty and Sensex, right? However, I told three things yesterday. I told Nifty, Banknifty and Sensex will gap down, which has happened. Second thing, it will try to retrace. In terms of Nifty, I told Nifty will try to retrace 19,300, which is happening. And Banknifty also will try to touch 44,000, which happened today. But at the same time, I told Banknifty will not go below 45,500, and if today's low, if you see today's low is around 43,500. Sorry, I told Bank Nifty will not go below 43,500. And if I change this to a 5 minutes time frame, you can see that there was a sluggishness in spite of Bank Nifty and Sensex trying to move on the higher side. It was Bank Nifty which was dragging the market. If we had got support from Bank Nifty, we might have gone on the higher side. That is what we are missing. And why is it happening is because of RBI disclosure. We'll talk about the disclosure. We'll also see what is going to happen going forward. And I am sure whatever you think, you can think. I am sure Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even Sensex is going to go on the higher side is what we believe. So we firmly believe that all three indices, or for that matter any indices, is going to go on the higher side, right? So make sure you watch the video fully and stream the video fully. And by the way, we made a good profit of around 21,000 K in Sensex expiry. Today's Sensex expiry, we'll also talk about that. And for now we will concentrate on what is happening in terms of Nifty, then we will see Bank Nifty, right? Now first let me go to the Nifty chart, and this is Bank Nifty chart. We will change this to Nifty chart. Now if you see, I did tell yesterday that we are likely to gap down. We gap down at around how much? 19,671. And why did we gap down is because yesterday markets, you know that US futures was not performing yesterday, and there was a news regarding US market. The news was that federal chairman's speech was there, and he has given indication that they are not likely to increase the interest rate this year. For 2023, they are not likely to increase the interest rate another one more month, right? At the same time, they also told they are not going to they are not also going to decrease the interest rate. So likelihood of Federal Reserve pausing the interest rate is very, very high. So that is what is going to happen. Now, in terms of Nifty, if you see, in spite of this weak global cues yesterday, as of now, as I talk to you, US futures, everything, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is trading in the green. And I'm sure it is going to go on the higher side only, and I'm sure it is going to close in the green only. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. Not only US market, US futures, even European futures are also trading in the green. Now, in terms of Nifty, where we might go, that is the main question here, right? That is the main question. Now, whatever I say is hypothesis, right? You have to understand this is a hypothesis. Now, we are seeing 2 days of green candle, right? Now, yesterday we saw Nifty high was 19,875, which is a very, very high demand supply zone. So whenever market reaches this zone, we are seeing high supply, and immediately market is coming on the downside. Now today also we saw that Nifty tried to touch almost high was around 19,800. Then we saw a retracement, and we ended somewhere around 19,731. Now for sure I can tell you, Nifty, no matter what happens, even if there is any bad news, Nifty is not going to come below 19,200. That I can tell you 100%. and we might, if things are going in positive way, let's say for example Europe and US is closing in the green, and if we gap up tomorrow, we might see Nifty inching up towards, let's say for hypothetically, if 19,800 is taken out, let's say tomorrow Nifty is gapping up at 19,800, then we might see market Nifty going towards maybe 20k, right, 20,000. So that's a firm belief I have in my mind. Then in terms of Bank Nifty is not performing, and the main reason is our RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das yesterday came out and he just gave this thing to our banking system. There is a new disclosure: unsecured loans are being increasing violently, right? Not violently, rapidly, right? So unsecured loans, see, they have increased the risk size to 125%. So what does that mean is, in layman terms, let me tell you, if a bank is giving unsecured loans, so what is unsecured loan? Let's say a personal loan, you are taking personal loan for 1 lakh rupees, or a bank is giving you a credit card for 1 lakh rupees. So it has to keep 25%, 125% of that aside as capital adequacy, right? So let's say if a bank is giving you a credit card for 1 lakh rupees, it has to keep 1 lakh 25 rupees as its capital to give you a credit card of 1 lakh rupees. So what will happen is small NBFCs and particularly SBI card will be affected because of increased capital adequacy. So they will be requiring high amount of capital. Now the second example is, Bajaj twins, right? They are into business where they give unsecured loan. One day I went not one day, the other day I went to the electronic showroom. They told, I saw a TV and I asked how much is the price. They told something 80k or 85k. And I told, I don't have that much money. They are ready to give me free of cost, EMI. You just apply for Bajaj Finserv and we will give you the TV. I told, not required, I'll come later. Then we came out, right? So these companies will be affected because of this RBI thing, and that is what you are seeing in banking stocks. So none of the banking stocks are performing, and so the markets will be consolidating for a few days, 1 or 2 days, and after that, once this news is forgotten, we might go on the higher side. So that is for sure. And global markets, as I told you, is everything is in the green. Nifty might touch maybe 20k. Once the hurdle of 19,800 is taken, we might go and touch 20k, and Bank Nifty, if this news is forgotten, we might go and touch maybe 44,000 or even 44,500 in the coming days, and I'm sure Sensex will also go and touch maybe 66,000 or 65,000. Now, for now, you have to be going long in this market. We have time for retracement, so there is little more upper movement on the banks. So I'm sure you have to be long. I'm long in this market, and I'm sure you also should be long in this market. Nothing much, that's it for now. And let me show you, last but not the least, let me show you our screen. We made a total profit of around 21,946 rupees today. Today was an excellent expiry. So we'll see how things pan out. Sorry, I didn't show the screen. Let me change the screen. Yeah. Now if you see, we have made a profit of around 21,946 rupees, right? So this is the trade which we have taken today. So I hope I have summarized everything. Don't short this market. All you have to do is be long in this market. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.